Alright, in this lesson, we are going to look at how to convert your text to speech. That is how to make your text into an AI audio. Okay, so if you want to convert your text to speech, the first tool we need here is our browser. Okay, so you can use the Google Chrome browser or you use the Microsoft Edge browser. Alright, so for this particular lesson now, I'm going to be using Microsoft Edge browser. Next step is to download your browser. If you're using Android phone, just go to your Google Play Store and type Microsoft Edge. If you're using an iPhone, you can do that using your App Store. Alright, after downloading, you have to install it. After installation, now we have to open it. Okay, next thing to do is to sign in. Alright, so you tap on it. Now click on send code. So they are going to send the code to your email. Alright, so I'll go to my Gmail and copy the code. Then go back and paste it over here. Now it's for you to click on confirm. So this is how the home interface of the browser looks like. Alright, so let's switch to landscape mode. So once you get to your browser here, now tap on this particular place. Now we are going to type Luvvoice AI. Alright, now once you've done that, come over and tap on this navigation. So once it loads, okay, now scroll down. This is a particular one you are to use, this one here. So you tap on it. Now this Luvvoice AI has over 200 voices and 70 languages. So there are a lot of packages here. Now if you come down here, where you're seeing this box, this is where you're going to paste your text. Okay, so if you're writing a story, make sure you've gotten your script. So the Luvvoice AI is a very powerful tool. Alright, you can use it to convert a text to a speech and also even some of your files to speech. Alright, it is also worthy to know that the Luvvoice AI can only convert a maximum of 3,000 words. Alright, now let's scroll down. Let me show you something. Now if you want to select how you want your AI voice to sound, alright, you are going to tap on this place. There are so many voices there, over 200 voices. Now one common mistake most of you make is that you will just come and select just for Nigeria and complain that the AI is not giving you what you want, whereas there are some other African country that you can use their voice and it will look more realistic. So don't just come over here and pick just one type of voice and start complaining. If you come over here, try to explore. There are so many African voices here. Try to use them, see how they sound. Okay, so this is faceless content, and when you are creating a video, you try to use other voices. Don't just come here to use Nigeria voice alone and start complaining. Try different voices so you know how they sound and which one fits to the story or whatever you want to do. Okay, so once you select your country choice, you come over here and select the particular AI that you want to use. So for Nigeria, it's only two we have here. Alright, so it's left for you to select which country you want to use. You come over here and select the type of AI that are available. Okay, now let's do some practical. I'm going to paste a text here, so we'll convert it to the AI voice and see how it looks like. So this is my text. Okay, before you start making use of the browser, make sure your texts are ready, your scripts are ready. Alright, so when you paste your scripts now, especially for those of you that are writing story, even though it's ChatGPT that gave you your script, don't just come here and paste it and generate the voice. Make sure you edit it. Remove all the punctuation marks. If not, the AI will pronounce it, because this way they can behave somehow. So there are some punctuation marks that AI does not recognize. Okay, what you do is that the only one you should have is comma and full stop. That's the one you should use. You understand? So make sure you edit it. Remove any sticker. If not, AI will pronounce it. Alright, you can see what I'm doing now. I'm changing it, I'm numbering it. You will see that when the AI get to those one that has those stickers, instead of them to pass it, they will pronounce it before reading the sentence, and that doesn't make any sense. So make sure you edit your text properly. Having done that, the next thing to do is to generate. Alright, so you're going to click on generate. Now let's play it and see how it sounds.
Learn how to create faceless content and get monetized. Course outline, folktale and AI faceless content tutorials. Section 1, Introduction and Account Setup. 1. Understanding faceless content creation. 2. How to create a foreign TikTok account.
You can see how the pronunciation are going very well. Now, if you leave any sticker in your text, just take a look at the result you're going to have.
Section 3, Script Writing and Story Development. White heavy checkmark how to generate script for your story, AI plus folktale adaptations.
So you can see what I was explaining when I said you shouldn't use a sticker in your text. So make sure you edit your text properly. Though it's not all punctuation mark that AI finds it difficult to pronounce. The most important thing is that don't use stickers in your text and try to avoid using punctuation marks. You can use other ones like comma or full stop. Alright? But if you know that your punctuation mark need to be pronounced, that's maybe for the purpose of what you're doing, instead of giving the AI a sign, instead spell it out. Alright, that way it will look perfect. Having said that, the next thing to do is to save our voice. Alright, now you see this particular place, you can tap on here to save it. You can also tap here to save it. So once you save your work, you're going to see it display on your screen. It has been downloaded, so you just go to your gallery or your device file and search for it. Now when you're done, the next step is to head over to your video editing software and make use of the voice that you have generated. Now where you're going to have issue is that if you go to your file, you will easily see the voice that you have generated. You get? But if you go to your video editing software like CapCut or InShot, where you would like to make use of that voice, for you to locate it, it will be very difficult. Now here is what you have to do. Now if you take a look at these screenshots, this was the voice we just generated from this class. You can see it there. So what to come first is luvvoice.com. Then the next thing is the year, the month, and the day. Now imagine you generating up to like 7 voice in a day. Tomorrow or some other time you did again. Now you go to your CapCut or your InShot to get that particular voice and you start looking for it. It's very confusing. So to make it easy for you, all right, after generating your voice, to go to your device, your file manager or your gallery, go over there and locate that voice. Once you see it, rename it. You can use the name of the story you're writing, so that once you get to your CapCut, you go to your audio, you go to your device, and you will see the name there. As simple, you just tap it and then continue your work. So this is the end of this class. What we have done is how to convert text to AI voice. So if you're writing a story, once you're done, you head over to your video editing software and make use of your AI voice or use it for whatever you want to use it for. Okay.